Let's compare the Instax Mini 70 camera versus the Kodak Daylight disposable camera. So these are both analog film cameras. The Instax Mini 70 is going to do an instant film print onto a Fujifilm Instax Mini format. So you put a little cartridge in here, it's 10 exposures, you take your photo, it ejects the film, and in about 3 to 5 minutes, it will develop instantly. The Kodak Daylight, on the other hand, is a traditional disposable camera. It has a 35 millimeter reel of film inside of here. You take your photos, out in the field, but they're not instant. You do have to send this off to a dark room to process the film. So that's the biggest difference, is that this Kodak Daylight disposable, still an analog film camera, takes great photos, but it's not instant. The Mini here, Mini 70, is in fact an instant film camera. It's going to print out instantaneously. In my experience, the quality of the photos, though, on the Kodak Daylight disposable are a bit higher than the quality on the Instax Mini 70. You just have to be willing to wait and to find that dark room to do the exposures and get those developed for you.